Hi, I'm Stuart from Sawmill Studios. Today we're going to be building our toolbox project from a kit. It's a little different than we do in the class. This project is intended to be done with adult supervision. Adults, please let the kids build the project, but if you need to hold a piece or something like that while they're hammering, that's fine. Please wear eye protection. Prescription glasses like mine are fine. Goggles or safety glasses. Just protect your eyes. If you have long hair, you might want to tie it back before you get started. So let's get going. What we have here is the bottom of the toolbox. We're going to assemble the sides and a handle and then put these guys on. Okay, let's get started. The kits come with a bag with sandpaper for after. I won't go into a lot of detail about the sanding. You can do that, but please do, when you get done, sand those sharp edges off so nobody gets a sliver or something. Okay, I'm going to dump out my nails and the screws. So they're a little easy for me to reach. There are extra nails in the project in case you bend one. Don't get too worried about it. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to nail an end on. Some of these are pre-drilled. Try to make sure you're nice and even on the end and with the bottom. There's 2 nails in each end. And remember, when you're hammering, you'll have much better luck if you hammer straight down and not with a crooked hammer, okay? When it's crooked, it bends the nails. Okay, starting to look like a toolbox already. Let's do the handle next. The handle's going to go right inside of here, just like this, and it goes in with screws, not nails. There are holes already pre-drilled in the ends to accept the screws. Try to make sure the screws are, both holes where the screws are going to go will go into the handle. So align it this way and this way and put those screws in. They may be difficult for some of the younger children. When we get towards the end, it is hard. We screw in clockwise, but as we get towards the end, it can be a little tough, and parents may need to help snug these up at the end. Okay, there's one. This project is about 16.5 long and about 6.5 wide and about 7 inches tall. See, we're getting there. If you bend a nail, don't get too worried about it as you're working. Just pull it back out with a hammer, and you don't do this with screws, but you can just pull it out with a hammer, start again. There's enough nails so you can bend a few, and you can recover. If you put the nail back in the same hole where it's been bent, sometimes it will bend the second time too. So starting a new hole is not a bad idea. Last screw, and it's time for our long sides. Having a nice workbench is great. The floor's okay, just protect it because you're going to be nailing, so you could put down some plywood or something like that. Garage floor is okay, but have a nice surface that doesn't bounce. If you try to nail or something on carpet, you're not going to have much luck. So now I'm putting the ends on, or sides. There's a bunch of nails in here. We want to make sure that we have the 2 at the end. That keeps this end from moving. Always make sure it looks good, it lines up. Your nails may go in a little slower, don't worry about it. Parents, let your kids take the time. They'll enjoy this. make sure we're all lined up, and put the last few nails in. Here we are, with 3 nails left, we have a toolbox. Now we would take our sandpaper, especially on these inner edges, and get rid of any sharp edges, okay? Because we don't want anybody getting scraped or getting slivers while they're reaching in the toolbox, okay? So, I hope you enjoy the toolbox project. Take care. Bye.